Hey there, Jessica Daly here. I'm the Business Development Manager at Plative, and I wanted to just show you a little bit how I use AI in my prospecting. Now, there are many tools out there, but today I'm going to go over our Slack chatbot we call Plaito. It's connected to our sales tool, which in our case is Apollo, but you can connect it to your own sales tool. So I decided to look at Nike. Now, this isn't necessarily our ICP, but we get an incredible amount of information, including their industry, a little bit about their revenue. We also have some key links to our Apollo, their website, even their LinkedIn. We've got a bit of a synopsis, which is great, and this can help me tailor some of my outreach. But for myself, I want to understand what tech they use. So I'm going to click on this wonderful customizable button. So this is based on how you need to research so it's going to predetermined prompt that's going to ask Apollo about Nike's tech stack. Now for myself, the first thing I'm actually looking for is the first one here, which is Salesforce. Amazing. But we have a list of everything, and I can expand that down the more if we want to look for other tech that they might be using. So I want to jump into our Salesforce context, knowing that they have Salesforce. So we are going to go to suggested contacts. Again, we come with a pre-scripted prompt to ask the AI to look for these people. Now, the amazing part that I love about this is it actually explains why it pulled these people and why we should reach out to them. So I'm going to select the Vice President of Global Technology. Now, I'm going to ask it a quick question to find out what might be the pain points that they are experiencing in their role. So I'm going to send that out to Plaito and see what they come up with. Perfect. So now I have a list of possible pain points that the VP of Global Technology at Nike is experiencing. Now I can ask more questions, get a little bit more granular, but essentially this is going to help me develop a tailored message for my outbound prospecting to Nike. That's all for the demo today. If you want to learn more, please reach out. I'd be happy to show you more about Plaito and explain how it works.